Okay, the last recording cut off, sorry. So what I did is in the first 2 or 3 minutes of class, I went into BBC and uploaded my voice recording and got that all set up. And then I went back to the participants panel because most of the students had joined by that time. Deleted the ones that were showing up, and then I sat there and watched the chat box for the remaining 2 minutes. And as it showed me that students entered, I deleted them off of the spreadsheet. So I'm just going to delete a couple of random ones right now. Delete. Actually, I'm going to delete a bunch because hopefully most of your kids are in class, right? Okay, so pretend this is who I have left. These ones are absent. So I will File, Save As, Browse, and again, I would do block 1, absent 821, or what have you. See, it's saved as that CSV file, so that way you're not messing with your master template. Oops. Okay. All right, so now we go to the next step. While your kids are coming in the classroom, the first couple minutes, whoops, I should have BBC open. Sorry, guys. Don't steal all my passwords. Okay. I'm going to go to send a message and outreach. So I would just have the screen up and ready. While your kids are coming in the first 2 minutes or so, you can be doing a couple things. The first thing is uploading your voice recording, your voice message that you want to go out. And this was on that tips and tricks Padlet down here. And I thought it was really cool. I didn't know about the sound recorder. So what you will do is you will go to your computer. You might have to search it. Mine wasn't there at first, but down here I just typed in sound recorder and click on it. And then you're going to start recording. So obviously I'm going to sound a lot more cheery when I make my recording for the kids, but I will make a script something following this. So I'll go ahead and record it for you. Good morning. This is Mrs. Oliver calling with a friendly reminder for your 5th grade student to join me this morning for math. We're already logged in and we are ready to begin in just a few minutes. Remember that the session is required for your student and I look forward to seeing you online soon. Okay, so then you stop the recording and this automatically pops up, this Save As. So again, I would just add it to your desktop folder, maybe that attendance one, and then put morning math call or whatever you want to call it. And that way it's super generic, so you can use the same one every single morning. And then we'll X out of the recorder. All right, so when you have your BBC up, it's the first 2 minutes of class, your kids are coming in, they're working on their warm-ups. You don't need to be talking to them because you've set that expectation that you come in and for 5 minutes you're working on your warm-up. You can have a timer going on the top of the screen. Okay, so here's where it's really cool. You just come down here, you don't have to mess with any of this nonsense about calling and IDs. You just click on Upload Audio. Go to that attendance, enter your morning math call, it's loaded in. If you want to do the text message thing as well, you can just copy. Obviously, you would edit it for your name and stuff and save it somewhere so you're not having to edit it every day. But you'll just go ahead and copy and paste your stuff in there. Okay, you see that didn't take very long, and that's with me talking and explaining. Once you have it down, that's going to take maybe 30 seconds. So you still have about a minute and a half. If you want to go back to your spreadsheet and keep deleting students, okay, pretend the 5 minutes is up. You have your students who are absent, you've saved it, your BBC is already ready to go. All you have to do is import your list. So you'll click on that too, click on Import Call List, select your file, and then you'll see it's 4 selected contacts, which matches what we had here. We had 4 students who were absent. You'll press Done. You need to give it a title, but you could have done that in the first 2 minutes while you were waiting. And then I'm not actually going to send this, of course, but you'll click on Now and then press Next. So that is how we did it. I just thought it was kind of easier than having the one spreadsheet with the different tabs. Again, if you have something that's working for you, great. But if not, hopefully this will help you. Let me know if you have questions. I'm happy to walk anyone through it step by step. Have a good day.